Welcome to Ballot Bites. Today's topic is the daily report. There are two ways to view the daily report. First, after your election has closed, you can see results right on your dashboard under Summary and Reports. And second is from the Reports section in the left navigation menu. Navigate to Daily Participation. These results will update in real time during the voting period, so you can check progress anytime after your election opens. The chart shows the number of daily ballot submissions by date. The summary statistics will include total submissions, the peak day, which is the day with the most voters, the daily average, and days with no submissions. It's that easy to see your members' participation in your election. Thanks for watching, and grab another bite in our series of quick tips at any time.